This is a 2018 Ram 2500 with the Tradesman package. It is a crew cab, two-wheel drive with a long bed. Has the 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. I think it was just under 45,000 miles. This does have the chrome appearance package, so you get the 18-inch rims, chrome bumpers, chrome grille. Bed looks to be in great shape. Bumper looks really good. I don't see any damage. There's your tow package. It's actually really clean. I haven't noticed anything out of the ordinary. There's your chrome wheels. It's got the window tint on it and your trailer tow mirrors. And these mirrors you can push in like that. You got a little LED light here on the corner. I'll pull into the shade. It's a non-smoker. Looks really good inside as well. So yeah, just under 45,000 miles. There's your Bluetooth, cruise control, there's your wipers, automatic headlights, AM, FM radio, single zone climate control system. Got your trailer brake controller, tow haul mode, traction control. Do have a 12-volt port here, and then you got the USB port over here. There's your glove box with your owner's manual. Got a pull-out tray here for some storage. These side mirrors are heated. I'll have the window sticker right here with all the options. I'll have screenshots of this in the photo section, actually, of the vehicle. So scroll through the photos and you'll see all of the screenshots to give you all the exact options. So it's that diesel gray cloth 40-20-40 split bench. Seats in great condition. I don't see any stains or rips or tears. Vinyl floors. Got some storage here. Got a little coin tray. And then over here, you have your USB auxiliary and then another USB. After there's your extra seat. Coming on the back side. A few little scuffs and stuff on that chair. These do fold up. You get some storage here underneath. Got your 2 cup holders. Got some air vents over there. And then just on the other side you have the same thing, but some storage in the floor. You got it over there as well. And this is remote keyless entry.